Hi guys, tacos for dinner. We do it ourselves. Better than Taco Bell. Hello my family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make tacos. If you like hard tacos, you can buy the hard taco shells. And if you like the soft tacos, then you can get the either soft corn tortilla or some other. They have all kinds of flavors. You can get the green color tortilla or the yellow one or any flavor you like. But today we're going to make the hard tacos. And my friends, don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and don't forget to comment. Hopefully you like my tacos if you like tacos, and then don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. My family and friends, let's start the tacos.